the industry is facing challenges. The first thing which is important nowadays is to produce product which meets the global standards. The precisions, the industry faces major problems in terms of having reliable operations, to run the machines completely without any downtime, being efficient, and to increase the productivity. India transforms into a global manufacturing hub. These challenges need to be addressed to become a world-class manufacturing center. I am Sujay. I am Vice President Commercial Business for ExxonMobil Lubricants India. We at ExxonMobil are working with the equipment builders, the industry experts, to understand from them what would be the need going forward. And we are making products and services suitable to give the solutions in line with their requirements. And hopefully, the partnership between ExxonMobil and the Indian manufacturing industry will help our country to become a global manufacturing hub. ExxonMobil is known as a solution provider. We will try to work with the industry leaders and showcase what our products and service can do for the industry and the manufacturing sector in India.